Hello everyone. Today we are working to how to rename multiple folder with different name. As it's usually we can select all the folders and click on the rename command here. We can, for example, we can do that by renaming by the simple trick as I'm giving the David. I'm pressing the enter, control enter. All the folder gets name, but the David is repeated to all of them. This is not our target. I'm going to, for example, rename all these folders at once: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, up to September, and maybe any kind of name. So now we are coming to getting help of few softwares which is already available here on the computer, and we don't need to install any additional software for that. So in that case we are going to copy the root address of the destination folder. This is our destination folder. I'm going to copy this root address to the Google Chrome. Now I'm going to jump to the Google Chrome. Just I'm pasting the destination here. As I paste this, just pressing the enter from the keyboard, I'm getting all the folders here. Now I'm going to copy all these data to the Excel. Now I don't need the Google Chrome anymore. Jumping to the Excel, pasting all the copied data to the Excel. As you see, all data is here now. I'm going to maximize the Excel now, but that's not looks very nice. I'm going to a little bit arrange all these data, but we need some new name here to type. Any name you can type, but I am going to type the name of the month, January, and copying all these to the maybe to January. Going to copy all these months up to the December, and one month is repeated. This is not good. Now we have the destination address here. Good. Here we are going to add another command, or maybe we can to order that very better. We are bring this here, put here run, because we are going to use the all this information later. Now as you see guys, all these data have the link here, but I'm going to right click and select the data, then right click. After I'm pressing on the remove hyperlinks, this data is returned to the normal form. Now I'm going to remove all these additional slashes by help of the replace command. Replace command, as you see, already typing here and selecting all the set of data and replace with none. Replace all. 12 are replaced. Yeah, this is clear data is available now for us. Now we can type all these. As you see guys, this is deformed. This is second start here, and manually we can manually arrange the name. For example, 10th month is, for example, for us this is October. We can take this here. All data is now folder. David 10 must will be with the October, 12 will be with the December. That's all done. Now we are going to type a formula here, or function equal. After equal, we are going to target this one. This target cell is, just press the F4 from the keyboard. Oh yeah, here this is good, but we need a little bit one double quote here also. Yeah. Now I'm going to press the end button from the keyboard and adding double quote, space, double quote again, and then I am selecting this part, and this time also I'm pressing the F4. After that we are going to, by getting the help of the end, this address. After this address also should be logged, because we need to repeat to apply this address for all of them. After that we need to add once again with the help of and the world names. World name is also added. So now I'm going to close all this address. After that I'm pressing the end from and after again the double quote pressing the F4. Let's check the formula. Yeah, up to here that's work, no problem, that looks good. Now we are going to type new name here just as previous, and double quote space double quote and once again and here we are going to bring this new name also in the double between the double quotes. Just click on the double quote, press F4, then after and the new name should not be logged because we have to pick all these names, specific names for each one. So after that again and the double quote, this time again we have to log the double quote. Let's check the formula, and that's a good result. Let's copy the formula down. Yeah, that's even good, no problem. All of them are looks nice. So now we are going to right click on the one of the corner, coming here to this line and just right click and hold the right click and copy the all text to the next cell or column and leave the right click button. We will get this type of window here. Just we are going to accept the copy here as a value only, pressing on this. And now why we did that? Because this is now in the form of text for us, but lastly this cell is in the form of function. Function is not working for us. So this is done. Now I am going to copy all this new text, pressing Ctrl C from the keyboard. Copy is done. Now I am going to, we will jump to the destination folder. Let's see the results there. We will see the effect here. Now I am going to press Windows key plus run R to run the command. Typing CMD, as you see CMD is already typed here, and I am typing again, pressing the enter button to accept. Now as we copied all the file name down from the Excel, we are going to paste here by help of the shortcut Ctrl V, and you will be focusing, just keep eyes on these 12 folders that will be immediately renamed. Yes, I'm going to press now Ctrl V. Yeah guys, as you see all these folders are properly renamed, like January, February, and also that's in a good form, August, December. As you see all these folders are renamed. So that was a easy trick and a little bit complex but easy, no problem, you can do that. So guys, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If we haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. So see you next time with new tricks.